Hello everyone, I'm Paul and this is problem 3014, minimum number of pushes to type word 1. This is an easy problem, so here I will show you my thought process and efficient solution. You can read this if you want, but basically we are given a word with different lowercase English letters. For example, A, B, C, D, E. And there is a telephone keypad with keys mapped to different collections of lowercase English letters. For example, we could have key 2 mapped to the characters A, B, and C. And if we want to type C, for example, we have to push this key 3 times because C is on the 3rd position. We are allowed to remap the keys from 2 to 9 to different collections of letters, and we have to return the minimum number of pushes to type the word that we are given after remapping the keys. So we can remap this as we want. This means that, for example, we can store all the letters at 2. Here we would have A, B, C, D, E, and so on, all the letters. The problem is that now we need 15 pushes to type this word. Why? Well, because we need 1 push to type A, 2 pushes to type B, 3 for C, 4 for D, and 5 for E. The result of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 15. But we're looking for the minimum number of pushes to type the word after remapping the keys. So how can we decrease this number? Well, here the solution is to store A at 2, B at 3, C at 4, D at 5. Now we need 1 push for A, 1 for B, 1 for C, 1 for D, and 1 for E. We need 5 pushes in total. This happens with the minimum number of pushes to type the word, so the result in this case is 5. And this is very important. The word that we are given has different lowercase English letters. This means that here we have n unique characters, where n is the length of the string that we are given. So following this same idea, let's say that now we have 8 characters. We have F, she, and H also. We can map 7 to F, we map 8 to she, and we map 9 to H. Now the minimum number of pushes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So the result would be 8. What if we have one more character? Let's say that we have a C. How do we handle this scenario? Following this same idea, given that we already have 1 character per number, we can reset back to the first key and add here the next unique character. So now key number 2 is mapped to characters A and C. By doing this, we make sure that we have the minimum possible result. So the solution here is the following. There are 26 lowercase English letters in total, and the word that we are given has different characters only, so the length of this can be of up to 26, which means that we can split this in chunks of 8. We put the first unique 8 characters in the first block, then we have the next 8 characters, then the next 8 characters, and the final 2 characters, 26 in total. So we can iterate these indices from left to right starting from index 0. And every time we check where do we put these characters. So we do the current index divided by 8, the result is 0. Which means that A belongs to this first block. Okay, we need 1 push for every character in this first block. The result up to this moment is 1, and next we continue with B. We are standing at index 1, so we do 1 divided by 8 and the result is 0. So we are standing at this first block, which means that the result is now 2. We need 2 pushes for these 2 characters. Next we are standing here at index 2, so we do 2 divided by 8 and the result is 0, which means that we are still at this block. So we add 1 more to the result and this is 3. Next we are here, the index is 3, 3 divided by 8 is still 0, so we add 1 to the result and this is 4. Next we are here at index 4, 4 divided by 8 is 0, so we add 1 to the result and this is 5. Next we are here, the index is 5, this divided by 8 is 0, so we add 1 to the result, this is 6. Next here, 6 divided by 8 is 0, so this is 7. Now we are here, 7 divided by 8 is 0, so we add 1 and this is 8. Now we are standing here at index 8, so we do 8 divided by 8 and the result is 1, which means that now we are looking at this block. These characters require 2 pushes, so we add 2 to the result and this is 10. Now we have already seen all the characters, so we can end the loop here and return 10. This is the minimum number of pushes to type this word. And now I think that you get the idea. We are splitting 26 characters in blocks of 8, and every time we take the current block plus 1, and that's the number that we need to add to the result. So with this in mind, let's go with the code. This is a very short code. We can say that the result is initially 0, and for every index in range length of word, result plus equal, we take the current index divided by 8 and we add 1. This is the number of pushes that we add to the result every time. And finally, we can return result. So let's submit this and see if it works. As you can see, this works and it's very efficient. Time complexity is big O of n, space complexity big O of 1. This is it for the problem, so if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.